Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Shatara. In this video, we are going to create our first standard SNS topic. We are going to talk about how we can add subscriber and how publisher can send message and subscriber will receive this message using SNS. So there are so many things we are going to perform here. Let's start. First of all, I want to create SNS topic. Now I can create directly from here, or I can go to the topics, and here I have option to create topic. Now I want to create standard, so I'm going to select standard. Now I'm giving name, new topic. Here I'm going to add display name. I'm going to add my company name. I'm not going to touch any other options. We just want to create this particular topic with the default options. So let me click on create topic. Now my topic has been created. Now, who will receive message from this particular topic? So here we have option to create subscription. I'm going to click on create subscription, and here we have supported protocol. So we can add Amazon Kinesis as a subscriber, Amazon SQSQ, Lambda, email, so many options. Here we have option to send messages through the push notification, mobile application options. We have SMS options as well. Right now, I just want to make the process simple, and I want to send notification via email. So I'm going to add email as a subscriber. Keep this in mind. You can add multiple types of subscribers to the single topic. Let's say that I want to add email subscriber, I want to add Lambda subscriber, I want to add HTTPS subscriber. For the same topic, it is also possible. Right now, I just want to make this process simple, so I'm just going to add only one email subscriber. If you want to add multiple, you can add. Now here I chose email. Now my email ID is already open, so I'm going to add email ID as an endpoint. So this is an endpoint. And let me click on create subscription. Now once you add subscriber, okay, the status of this subscriber will be pending. Why? Because we need confirmation from the subscriber. You cannot send message directly without confirmation. Okay. So as soon as you add this subscriber, specifically email subscriber, okay, SNS will send one email to you. Look here, I got it. I got this CloudFox Hub name because this is the display name of our topic. And now, if I want to receive these messages from the SNS topic, I have to confirm this subscription. So I'm going to click on confirm this subscription confirm. And now, if you refresh over here, you will find out that, okay, this subscriber is actually confirmed. Now, my SNS topic can send message to this subscriber, right? I have this one garbage subscriber over here. Don't worry about it. I'm not able to delete it. Maybe there is a fault from AWS, so don't worry. We are talking about this particular endpoint only, right? Okay. Now, I'm going to the topic. This is my topic, and I have one subscriber as well. This is my subscriber. Now, how I can send message? In the real world, you have publisher. Publisher is sending message to SNS topic, and SNS topic is sending this message to the subscriber, right? But if you want to test this, AWS is providing this facility that you can directly send message from the SNS topic itself. How? Here we have this option, publish message. So I'm going to click on publish message. Here it is a subject. I'm just going to say hello. Here it is body. So I'm going to say hello from CloudFox Hub. Now whenever I will click on publish message, all the subscriber of this particular topic, new topic, will get this message. Okay. So I have only one email subscriber. So if you look at over here, we don't have any other message. Now I'm going to publish message. Message sent successfully. Now go to the inbox. I got this. Look, CloudFox Hub, hello, and hello from CloudFox Hub, right? So we can say that, okay, everything looks good. Our topic is sending message to the subscriber. Yeah, we have only one subscriber right now, but if you have multiple, all the subscribers will get message simultaneously. Okay. Now, what about publisher? We want to complete this entire chain. We must have publisher, then SNS topic, and then subscriber. So right now we have SNS topic, we have subscriber. Publisher is actually missing. Now we don't need to worry about publisher because many AWS services are actually acts as a publisher. From many AWS services, you can get notification. Okay. And all these services who is actually sending notification to you can be publisher. I'm going to give you one simple example. Let's say that I have one S3 bucket. Now my requirement is this particular S3 bucket will send notification to the user's email when somebody going to upload any file. So how I can do this? Keep this in mind. My SNS topic is ready. My subscriber is ready. Okay. So you go to the properties of your bucket.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.